is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Now, today we're going to take a look here at Apple, AAPL. Now, the earnings are coming out there Thursday after the close. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, market, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Apple, your daily chart. Now, when we look at this here, you can see how it ran all the way up here to 198.23. Okay, it just couldn't get through here. And then now look what happened. See? A series of lower highs. That is never good. Okay? So what I want to do here is I want to point out to you just a couple of gaps and fills here if this 165.67 here is lost. Okay. So we always look to the left of the chart here. Now, we look at this one, this candle right here. Okay? This here is 167.04, okay? Right there is, on this price channel, 165.67. That gap is already filled, okay? So now we come over to the next one here. So we look right here. The bottom of this candle is 159.35. That's your gap. And then right here, 158.49, that's your fill. And then the next one we go down to here is right here. Okay, the low, 147.33, there's your gap. Right here, 146.71, there's your fill. Always look to the left of the chart. Now, I'm not saying that's going to get, these gaps and these fills are going to get, filled there right today, or maybe even after earnings. However, always keep these in mind here, okay, because look at this one. This was eventually got filled. This here, it would be next. And then we come all the way down here to this one right here, okay? Now, there's a lot of support in the meantime here. But again, always watch these gaps and fills. Have these on your back burner if you want to go and maybe buy and scalp this stock. Okay, so let's take a look at the upside. Well, you look at this chart here. This is not good, okay? So what we want to do here on the upside is this key 200 SMA. Okay, you're looking at 170.71. Okay, very, very critical. Now, you went up to it today and pulled right on back. Then, right here, what do we have is this 8 SMA. Okay, 171.28. Okay, so these two here are going to be very, very key levels here. Now, if you can get above all that, then what we do is we look to the top of this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 173.06. We have 173.67. And then we start coming into these SMAs here. All right. So you got 174.80. That's going to be crucial resistance. We have the 50-day here sitting at 176.80. And then if you can get above here, your retest is 182.34. Now, I have no idea how their earnings are going to look here. But, the way it is, the market right now here for Apple is getting a little soft. I think this is pretty much played out here. But again, we don't know that. We have to wait and see. So you want to trade the charts. So always on the upside, watch the 200-day. And then watch your key 8 SMA here. And then if you can get above, follow the candles up. And then your 174.80. And then your 50 SMA up here at 176.80. And then 182.34 is your retest. Now, if you can get above this level right here, well, then what we do is then we just come to the top of this level here. And then get above that, then we come to the top of that level here. But there's a lot of resistance in between. Now, your RSI is looking very good. For a good run on up here. Your MACD is still bearish. Your green is below your red. Okay. So again, watch that. Now on the downside here, you want to watch here is this key 165.67. Okay. If that is lost, okay. If that is lost here, then we just look right to the left of your chart here and follow these candlesticks all the way down. But always keep in mind here these gaps and the fills, the gaps in the fills. If this stock gets hammered. All right, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching.